Well, I would like to thank the press for being with us this morning. I understand that we are also talking to the Japanese press later. So His Excellency Mr. Motegi, the Minister for Foreign Affairs of Japan, will make a resume of his visit here, but also in front of the local press, but also to the Japanese press a bit later. He will do that at the residence of His Excellency the Ambassador of Japan. Today we have the pleasure to welcome Mr. Motegi, Minister of Foreign Affairs, and his delegation in Mauritius. Minister Motegi paid a courtesy call to the Prime Minister, where we addressed some very important issues which will help us consolidate further the relationship between Japan and Mauritius. We addressed the issues of the assistance of Japan in the COVID pandemic situation, and we have raised the issue of asking Japan to be able to see to it that countries like Mauritius have access to the vaccine, because this is the most important thing in the months to come, so that when we have a recovery, we recover together. Countries like Japan, which are sophisticated economies, and countries like Mauritius, like SIDS, we have to recover together. And I also said to His Excellency that Africa, the continent, is coming with a free trade area, started in January. So it's another opportunity for Japan to build stronger ties with Mauritius and the continent of Africa. On the COVID issue, we would like to thank Japan for the assistance we have had, and as I said, to see to it that there is no inequality in the access to the vaccine for countries like Mauritius. We're also grateful for the government of Japan for the rapid response after the Wakasho oil spill. Experts have come. We have had many reports. Many reports are yet to come about the reinstatement of the environment, social assistance to the community in the southwest of Mauritius, and third, equipment, facilities for preparedness, because Japan is very advanced when it comes to risks and when it comes to the preparedness of response to calamities. And we have made a request for Japan to see whether we cannot have a regional center for preparedness in this area. We have also signed an agreement under the Economic and Social Development Program for a grant of 600 million Japanese yen, which is about 240 million rupees, which we will use for the procurement of equipment in relation to projects concerning natural disaster prevention in the country. And we have the third Maritime Security Conference, which we are hosting next year. And Japan will be helping us with a grant in aid to enhance maritime security and safety with the setting up of the radar surveillance system. We are working together on this. And the most important thing also is as regards to investment and business facilities between Japan and Mauritius. Japan will have a delegation of the public and private sector of the biggest companies who want to come to Mauritius and to Africa. So this delegation is coming in the third week of February, and we are looking forward to have very fruitful working sessions and discussions with the private sector in Mauritius so that Mauritius can be the gateway to Africa. We would like to have the facilities of investment in the ocean economy. My colleague was here and he mentioned it. The possibility of having a Japanese cruise company in this sector, in this region. So investment, creation of jobs, using the financial center of Mauritius for financial flows from Japan into Africa. And we also made a request for Japan to support Mauritius in its efforts to get out of the blacklist of the European Union and the grey list of the FATF. So we look forward to this extremely important business delegation coming in February. As regards to geopolitics, Japan and Mauritius look forward to all initiatives to see to it that we have an open and free Indo-Pacific. We have been working on this direction. Japan has taken a number of initiatives in this direction, and we are fully supportive of Japan to see to it that we have a free and open Indo-Pacific region. As regards to the Chagos, we also made the Prime Minister made a request for the support of Japan for the advisory opinion of the International Court of Justice of February in 2018, that this advisory opinion, which has said clearly that the occupation of the archipelago is illegal, and we look forward, we have made a request for support of Japan for international law and UN resolutions to be respected. So it was a very fruitful meeting, a very short meeting. We have also mentioned, I'm going to end on this, on tourism. In the past, we had tourists coming from Japan. We are looking forward to see to it that in our recovery, we can have the possibility to promote Mauritius in Japan. So basically, we're working on saying that Mauritius is a COVID-safe place for Japan, for Japanese tourists. We are considering the possibility of lending rights and air connection between Japan and Mauritius, and we are looking forward to the possibility of investment of Japanese company in our tourism industry. So, Excellency, I would like now to pass on to you to say a few words.
Thank you very much. 日本の外務大臣として、初めてモーリシャスを訪問でき、大変嬉しく思っています。
I'm delighted to make this visit to Mauritius for the first time as the Foreign Minister of Japan.
本日、ジャグラント首相を表敬し、ここにおられる、ボダ大臣と外相会談を行いまして、私から8月の油流出事故を受けた日本の協力の進捗状況についてお話をし、また今、コロナ禍でさまざまな影響が出ている状況の中で、日本のコロナ対策の支援であったりとか、経済面での支援、こういったところについてもご説明を申し上げたところであります。
Today I made a courtesy call on Prime Minister Jagnath and had a meeting with Foreign Minister Boda as well present here today next to me, where in light of the oil spill accident in August, I explained the status of progress of Japan's mid to long-term cooperation, and also explained the measures against the coronavirus as well as economic recovery in the face of the coronavirus as well.
インド洋の要衝に位置をし、日本と基本的価値を共有する海洋民主国家であるモーリシャスと自由で開かれたインド太平洋の実現に向けて航行の自由や安全、さらにはビジネス、投資の促進をはじめ幅広い分野で緊密に連携をしていくことで一致をいたします。
We were able to share the view on the closer collaboration between Japan and Mauritius, as Mauritius being a maritime democracy situated at a key point in the Indian Ocean, and shares fundamental values with Japan. We shared the view on ensuring the safety of navigation as well as the promotion of businesses here.
また先ほど防災関連資材の無償資金協力に関する交換本部に署名をいたしました。この協定によって海面上昇であったりサイクロンと自然災害の影響を受けやすい島しょ国でありますモーリシャスの防災能力が強化向上することを期待をいたしております。
And moreover, just now we have signed an exchange of notes on grant assistance for disaster prevention-related equipment, and it is Japan's hope that this assistance will contribute to strengthening and improving disaster prevention capacities of Mauritius, which is prone to be impacted by natural disasters such as sea level rise as well as cyclones.
来年の2月にはですね、官民合同ミッション、これも派遣をする予定であります。またさまざまなですね、二国間、また多国間のフォーラム、こういったことでも連携をしていきたいと考えております。
And next year in February, we plan to send a joint private and public sector mission to the country of Mauritius, and I very much look forward to continuing our collaboration, and not only in the bilateral forum, but also in the multilateral forum as well.
そしてまた、国際社会が直面する、また両国が直面するさまざまな課題、地域の情勢、中国の問題、北朝鮮の問題、そしてシャロットの問題等々についても、それぞれの考え方、それを率直にですね、意見交換する良い機会になった、そのように考えているところであります。
And as the international community faces various issues, as well as our two countries face various issues, we were able to exchange views on regional issues, including on China as well as North Korea, and the issue of Chagos. It was a very fruitful opportunity for us to have a candid exchange of views on the views that each of our countries have.
法の支配が重要である。ルールに基づいて物事を解決をしていく。また関係者が率直に意見交換をして解決策を見出す、こういったことの重要性について意見に一致を見たところです。
We were able to share the view on the importance of respecting the rule of law, coming to a resolution based on rules, and the importance of coming to a resolution by exchanging views of those that are engaged, those that are concerned.
モーリシャスが一日も早く危機環境を回復させ、コロナ禍を克服して豊かな経済や生活を取り戻すことを願っています。そうなりましたら、日本からもですね、圧倒的な数の観光客が再びモーリシャスを訪れることになると思っています。
And it is my earnest hope that Mauritius will restore its beautiful environment and as well as its rich economy and livelihood. And when that happens, I am very confident that there will be a surge of people coming in to Mauritius from Japan.
小田大臣と緊密に連携しながら、日本とモーリシャスの二国間関係、一層強化をしていきたいと思います。
I look forward to continuing to collaborate closely with Minister Boda to further strengthen this relationship between Japan and Mauritius.
今回はですね、1日という短い滞在期間でありますが、ジャグナット首相、そしてボタ大臣はじめですね、歓迎いただいたこと、心から感謝を申し上げ、本当に有意義な訪問になったと思っています。
Now, my trip at this time around has been a short period of time. However, I want to sincerely thank Prime Minister Jagnath as well as Minister Boda for their very warm welcome extended to me. It has been a very fruitful visit.
Thank you very much. Well, just to highlight one thing, Japan has offered a concessionary loan of 30 billion yen. And we are considering on the conditionalities we're almost there. So it's one of the highlights, and the other one is extremely important. I would like to thank Minister Mutegi for coming to Mauritius, and I welcome him. I hope the possibility to welcome him again, and we look forward to having the business delegation in February, so that we can work to make our relationship even stronger. Thank you.